Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a very powerful herbal remedy for broken bones, weak bones, and muscle weakness. This natural formula has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and if you use it regularly, it can help heal fractures in just a few days and also strengthen your entire skeletal system. So, make sure to watch this video till the end. The first ingredient is Sumbul, also known as Indian Berberry. It is famous for its strong healing properties. It helps speed up the process of bone repair after fractures. It also strengthens joints, relieves inflammation, and provides energy to the body. The second ingredient is Tukhme Sirs, or Albizia lebec seeds. These seeds are excellent for boosting bone strength. They help regenerate tissues, support muscles, and reduce swelling. They are especially useful for people who have weak bones, frequent pain, or joint stiffness. The third ingredient is turmeric, a golden spice that you all know. Turmeric is one of the best natural anti-inflammatory agents. It fights pain, reduces swelling, and helps in quick recovery of fractures. It also prevents bone infections and makes the healing process faster. Honey or sugar for taste. Honey not only adds sweetness but also has healing and antibacterial properties. It helps the body absorb nutrients better and improves digestion, which is important for overall bone health. To prepare this remedy, take 100 grams of Sumbul and 100 grams of Tukhme Sirs. Grind both into a fine powder and store it in a clean glass jar. For broken bones, warm 1 cup of milk. Add 1/2 teaspoon of the prepared powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix well and add honey or sugar as per taste. Drink this mixture 3 to 4 times daily. Within just 12 days, you will notice remarkable improvement. Continue for at least 12 days and up to 1 month maximum. For weak bones and muscles, drink this same mixture 2 times daily. Continue for 2 to 3 months. This will make your bones stronger, muscles healthier, and reduce fatigue. So friends, this is a 100% natural and effective remedy for fractures, bone weakness, and muscle weakness. If you try it with consistency, you'll feel a big difference in your strength and recovery. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more natural remedies and health tips.